In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Morph feature in PowerPoint 2019. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to create seamless animations and transitions between slides, giving your presentations a polished and professional look. Whether you're working on a school project or a business presentation, mastering this feature will definitely add an engaging visual flair to your slides. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Once you've done that, you'll want to navigate to the slide where you'd like to apply the morph transition. The next step is to insert an object onto your slide. This object can be a picture, a shape, or even a text box. For our demonstration today, let's go with inserting a picture, which is a common choice that will allow you to show off the power of the morph transition. To do this, click on the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Once the menu expands, select Picture and then choose this device from the drop-down options. At this point, your File Explorer will open, allowing you to browse your computer's files and select the perfect picture for your slide. Once you've made your selection, click Insert and your picture will now appear on the slide. Now that you have your picture, look over to the left pane where you can see thumbnails of your slides. Right-click on the thumbnail of the current slide and from the menu that appears, select Duplicate Slide. This will create an exact copy of your slide with the picture. The duplicate slide is key to setting up the morph transition as it gives you a platform to reposition your object for the animation. On the duplicated slide, which will now appear as slide 2, click on your picture and drag it to a new location. You can choose to move it to a new corner of the slide or anywhere else that suits your creative vision. Don't hesitate to resize it as well, making it larger or smaller to fit your design preferences. Once you've repositioned and resized your object on slide 2, ensure that slide 2 is selected. Now head back to the ribbon and click on the Transitions tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Morph transition, which can be found among the options in the Transitions gallery. Finally, to see your Morph transition in action, click the Preview button, located to the left of the Transitions tab. This will play your transition effect, showing the picture seamlessly moving and transforming from its initial position and size on the first slide to its new position and size on the duplicate slide. It's an elegant effect that can truly elevate your presentation's appeal. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to use the Morph feature in PowerPoint 2019. Experiment with different objects and transitions to create dynamic and captivating presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.